Hi everybody, it's Teresa at LASIK of Nevada, standing in front of our Reno location. I just want to do a quick tour to show you how it all happens here in Reno. Come on in. When you come in our office, you're going to be greeted by one of our friendly staff members. We're going to have you fill out some paperwork and then have a seat in our waiting area. Once we get all that paperwork updated into our system, we're going to bring you back for some testing. Here's where we're going to check your prescription. We're also going to check the thickness of your cornea and the shape of your cornea. This will determine if you are an initial candidate for LASIK. Then we're going to take you into one of our 3 exam rooms. This is where we're going to check your vision. We're also going to go over all your medical history. This will be the final determination if you are a candidate for LASIK. Now I'm going to take you into the most important room in this office. This is our procedure room. This is where all the magic happens. As you can see, we have 2 different lasers here. Here at LASIK of Nevada, we use laser treatment only. The laser that we will use on you is all based on your vision, your prescription. The technology that we use for you is all based on you. This is one of our best staff members here at LASIK of Nevada. This is Skittles. During your procedure, Skittles is going to keep you company. Now I'm going to show you just a couple more rooms. This is our prep room. This is where we're going to get you all ready for your procedure. Dr. Rothman will also come in and answer any questions that you have. He'll also ask you a couple questions as well. Now I'm going to show you one more room. This final room is our consultation room. This is where you and I will come and meet after you're determined if you are a candidate for LASIK. Then we'll be able to go over the technology that you need specifically for you. It's all based on your vision. We'll go over the whole process, answer any questions that you have, go over pricing, financing options, and I'll also show you how the scheduling works. So if you're ready to set that free consultation up, call us here at the office and we'll see you soon.